And we begin with President Trump and major news on Obamacare, saying today nobody knew that health care could be so complicated. He met with executives from health insurance companies today as well at the White House. One saying as a candidate that replacing Obamacare will be so easy. But the president knows 20 million Americans want to know what the replacement will be. Many have been lining up at town halls. Tonight here, some early answers and the president proposing a major increase in defense spending. How will he pay for it? ABC's Mary Bruce on Capitol Hill tonight.
As 20 million Americans wait to hear about the future of their health care, President Trump promises his plan is coming soon.
We have a plan that's going to be, I think, fantastic. It'll be released fairly soon, but I think it's going to be something special.
Candidate Trump promised a quick fix.
You're going to have such great health care at a tiny fraction of the cost, and it's going to be so easy.
But today from President Trump, a reality check.
It's an unbelievably complex subject. Nobody knew that health care could be so complicated.
Republicans are already facing the backlash.
I could tell you 3 members of my family, including me, that would be dead, and homeless if it was not for ACA.
Anger and anxiety over the move to repeal and replace Obamacare pouring out at congressional town halls across the country. What comes next? A big question as Republican leaders met behind closed doors with the president at the White House.
Can you promise and assure Americans covered by Obamacare that they will not lose their coverage? And when are we going to see your plan?
Yeah, so obviously we're going to be rolling out our plan very soon. This is a rescue mission. We have to step in and prevent Obamacare from getting worse, from collapsing, and we will replace it with a law that's better, that's more durable, that lowers costs.
Republicans are looking at a plan that would eliminate the individual mandate, cut federal Medicaid spending, expand health savings accounts, and provide tax credits to help buy insurance. With health care still in flux, the administration's other priorities coming in a budget outline sent to Congress today. The president proposing a major 10% increase in military spending, some $54 billion.
A message to the world in these dangerous times of American strength, security, and resolve.
And Mary Bruce joins us live tonight from Capitol Hill. And Mary, we've seen those town halls. And after he was elected, President Trump was asked about parts of Obamacare, coverage for Americans with pre-existing conditions, and their children, young adults, being covered on their parents' insurance plans. Does he still support that?
David, that's the question being asked by so many at these town halls across the country. Now, there is no legislation yet, but Republicans have said they plan to keep those 2 popular Obamacare provisions.
All right, more to come on this. In the meantime, Mary, you did report the president wants a 10% increase in defense spending. Any indications tonight how they'll pay for it?
David, get ready for deep across-the-board spending cuts at most federal agencies. Now, not on the chopping block, Social Security and Medicare. The president is promising not to touch those programs.
All right,
David.
Mary Bruce, I'll see you tomorrow night in Washington, Mary.